Hello, I'm Richard Hutchins, CEO of the Leather Repair Company, Restorers Limited. One thing that makes us very successful is the determination, hard work and commitment that we put into our business and our brand. And it's not just myself that's obviously behind this. There's obviously an array of people in the company that helps us to move forward, to get the company to where it is today, as well as obviously all you lot, our customers, for which we're eternally grateful for the business that you've given us over the years. People don't just get lucky in business. It is down to hard work. It is down to having a story, a vision, a drive and a goal to meet, to get you to where you want to be. And like with most things in life, when you get to where you want to get to the next stage as well. So you've got to have continued drive, commitment and enthusiasm to get you there. You can't just suddenly say, well, I'm just going to do this and do that and then just quit I've seen so many people that just quit so easily and so quickly. If they'd just gone that extra mile, they would have actually found that success was just around the corner. To be successful in business, it does take a lot of hard work and a lot of commitment, and you've got to sacrifice a lot of things. And there's a lot of things that I've sacrificed over the years, as the business has grown, from seeing my children grow up to not being there for my wife and family and stuff like that, for seeing loved ones lost and things. And it's very, very hard. But, we have been focused on trying to deliver to the public a product and a service that not only you are proud of, that, we're proud of, and everybody around the world is proud of our products and how we've developed and grown the business. But obviously, as we grow, things change within the company. We're growing, we're getting bigger, we're going more global, and we're becoming more innovative with everything that we do. And obviously, that leads us on to the next sort of generation, because there's obviously the next stage. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to live forever. I'd love to, but a lot of people probably say, "Christ, please don't." But that's just how life is. We all come and we all go. And we've got to make sure that we pass on to the next generation, the business that is sustainable, so that they can grow that business even further. As you all know, we announced sort of on one of our Totally Leathered podcasts that we do for Totally Leathered. On the podcast, second or first podcast, we interviewed Curtis, who's the general manager here at the Leather Repair Company. And Curtis will be taking over the company when I retire. And that's one thing that, we've sort of seen a lot of, how can I call it? A lot of probably envy, anger from people sort of saying, Christ, he's a lucky sod, isn't he? Why should he be given that opportunity to do this and do that? And you know what? He's not a lucky sod at all. Curtis is driven, Curtis is hardworking, Curtis is very, very committed to ensure that this company is delivering for the next 50 years the best solutions possible for the industry throughout the world. And he is going to make sure that this company is growing at a very rapid rate. So when I do retire, which obviously I probably will, which is the day I actually drop dead. That will be the day that I retire, because I will be here to continue to help Curtis develop and grow the business. Yes, I will take a back seat eventually, but I'll still be here to help him, to nurture him, to help him grow the business forward. And it's something that we believe in full-heartedly, is to help him grow that business. And it's not down to luck, it is down to hard work, it is down to commitment. It is down to giving it your 100%. There's those days when you don't feel like it, but you've got to keep driving forward. You've got to keep looking at the end goal, that focus of what you're building, why you've done this, why you get up out of bed every morning, and what you want to achieve in life. You can't just quit when you get stumble across some hard case of something that's gone wrong. We could all do that and just say, you know what, let's just jack it in. I could have done that a million times. We've come up against all sorts of stuff. We've had businesses fail, we've had lawsuits, we've had everything, but we've come through everything. We've fought for what is right, for what is justice and what is the truth for our industry and our business. And we're very proud of what we do. And we will continue to fight, and we will continue to build our brand for the next 100 plus years, because Curtis is going to be here for another 50 as he takes over the business. And that business will grow to be an unstoppable force as we globally go around the world to more countries, which you will see over the next 12 months, a huge expansion that we're putting in force for the Leather Repair Company. So please keep watching, keep supporting, and we want to just thank you, every single one of you, for the business that you've given us to date. leatherrepaircompany.com.